Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of some Jber sound acoustic foam panels. So I picked up these panels. They're about 1 inch tall and 12 inches by 12 inches because I actually do quite a bit of YouTube filming in this room. And when I was filming, I noticed I was getting a lot of sound bouncing off these walls onto my microphone. So I just wanted to get some foam panels that would just kind of deaden the sound, especially in the corners here, to prevent it being picked up by the mic. So I went ahead and picked up these particular foam panels. When I got them, they were actually really smashed together. So I was really worried that they were going to be very flat. But after about 24 to 48 hours, you can see they kind of puffed back up to their full size, and it's about 1 inch tall. And you can see I got them kind of mounted here along the wall. I had to get some extra 3M sticky tape just to get them to stick on here. But once I got them up on the wall, they haven't moved ever since. And it has done a really good job in making my audio recordings for my YouTube videos to sound a lot better. So definitely worth checking out if you guys need some foam panels, you know, pretty cost effective to make your audio quality sound a lot better. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching another Smart Tips product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.